This one. Welcome, JFE company. My name is Wyatt. I'm presenting on behalf of my company, Lafarge Canada. Thank you for accepting our invitation to attend this presentation tonight, and we are looking forward to working with you in the future. So our company focuses on 4 business segments: cement, aggregates, ready-mix concrete, and products. We pride ourselves as a global leader in building materials and solutions. Around 75,000 people work for Lafarge Holcim in around 80 countries with a balanced portfolio between developing and mature markets. And as you see here, our company has already established a strong global presence from North America to Middle East Africa. And we have been experiencing an increase in demand that is driven by population growth, urbanization, improved living standards, and sustainable construction. So from classic masonry cements to high-performance products tailored for specialized settings, we offer an extensive range of cements and hydraulic binders. We also offer aggregates that serve as raw materials for concrete, masonry, and asphalt, as well as the foundations for buildings, roads, and landfills. We deliver a wide range of high-performance, high-quality, ready-mix concrete flexibly and reliably. The solutions and product segment bundles offer such as dry mortar, precast concrete, asphalt, paving, and services that deliver target solutions to our customer-specific needs. Lafarge Holcim is a reliable global partner for major infrastructure projects such as roads, mines, ports, dams, data centers, stadiums, wind farms, and electric power plants. With an unparalleled geographical footprint, Lafarge Holcim is able to deliver in most remote areas around the globe. Lafarge Holcim solutions are designed to help builders, masons, and contractors deliver high quality buildings and meet their daily challenges, getting the job done quicker and at the best cost, and with the smartest use of resources and highest environmental performance. We innovate for customer working at every level. Masons and individual home builders need materials that solutions close to where they live and work. We develop local retail networks in emerging markets such as Disensa in Latin America and Benestore in Middle East Africa. E-commerce and services are also increasingly offered by customers to obtain the best building materials. Our company has been involved in some of the most important construction projects around the world, such as Goddard Tunnel in Switzerland, One Belt, One Road project, A14 carriageway in the UK, and buildings like One World Trade Center, El Philharmonie in Germany, and Central Bank of Iraq. Some of our notable brands you might be familiar with, of course, Lafarge, Holcim, Geocycle, ACC, Aggregate Industries, and a lot more. And we love to innovate. With over 300 researchers working for Lafarge Holcim, and together with partners throughout our ecosystem, we aim to find leverage innovations along our entire value chain, from processes to products, from quarry to worksite. In 2018, we launched 94 new products and filed 13 new patents applications. Digitalization is also very important to us. And we know there are changes in our value chain from quarry to construction site, and our Planet of Tomorrow initiative aims to improve production across a global network of over 240 integrated cement plants and grinding stations in more than 50 countries employing robotics, artificial intelligence, predictive maintenance, and other cutting-edge technologies. It is the largest deployment of Industry 4.0 technologies in our industry. As Lafarge Holcim, we want to lead sustainability and set new standards. We want to transform the way our industry works and encourage the whole construction sector to play its part in addressing our planet's biggest issues. As a global leader in the construction materials industry, we have both the opportunity and responsibility to make a positive difference. And here's a video to show you why.
Sorry guys, but there is no audio.
There is no audio to the video.
We are Holcim, at the forefront of green building solutions, with our world's rising population and urbanization, growing demand for better living standards, and unprecedented stimulus spending. We are building greener cities from rooftop to foundation. From eco-packed green concrete to Firestone roofing systems, we are enabling smarter infrastructure, from renewable energy to green mobility. We are deploying innovative solutions like 3D printing to build more with less, driving the circular economy. We are a world leader in recycling. Our EcoPlanet range includes the world's first green cement, with 20% construction and demolition waste inside, pushing the boundaries of innovation. We are increasing buildings' performance across their life cycle, from construction and energy efficiency to repair and refurbishment. We are driving digitalization, from smarter operations to better customer experience. We are 70,000 people around the world, empowered to make a difference. With our strategy 2025, we are accelerating green growth, becoming the global leader in innovative and sustainable building solutions.
So in line with this goal, Lafarge Canada is looking for partners who can supply us with high quality materials with the right price and deliver them on time. So our current projection is that we will be needing at least 1.2 million tons of cement this year for sales. So we therefore plan on producing 1.3 million tons of cement this year. As you can see in the graph, that's our trend since 2018 and our current forecast for 2023. So we expect to purchase around 1 million tons of granulated blast furnace slag from our supplier. So this is around 76% of the raw materials requirement to produce our cement. And high strength, long-term durability, increased permeability, and increased resistance to alkali, silica reaction, and sulfate attack are important features we would like to have for the slags. And other key considerations we have in selecting our suppliers are their ability to provide us with reasonable uh, slag price, on-time delivery of our orders, and provide us with good customer service. So that is for our requirements so far. Do you guys want to present your company first, and then we can do the Q&A session afterwards?
Yeah. Thanks for that detailed presentation, Wyatt. It was really great to learn about the capabilities of Lafarge. And yeah, I think I have a brief corporate portfolio to show you guys. I'm gonna just share my screen here. Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So, uh, good evening, guys. I'm Ranjit. I'm head of business development for the Canadian geography at JFE, and I got my team here. Vijita, who's our CEO, and Karan, who takes care of Canadian operations. So, just to give you a brief about who we are and what we are heading to, the company aims to contribute to the society with the most innovative technology that's out there. To elaborate on how we are going to achieve that, I've highlighted few points like we provide services to our customers by without compromising quality and also using superior technology. And also, we have been working in the past with a lot of high portfolio customers, and protecting their privacy and information is also a priority. And also, like I mentioned before, we do believe in Industry 5.0, and sustainable growth is also one of the key factors that the company is looking into. So we've got two main divisions in the company. One is the blast furnace slag that we provide to manufacturers like Lafarge, and the steel making slag that we provide to steel manufacturers. And about our presence globally, we are present in the North American continent, importantly in the US and Canada, and also in Europe by providing to our customers in UK, Germany, and France. And our presence is also at Asia Pacific, Middle East, and Africa. So, just to give you a debrief about the products that we deal, anything and everything can be customized as we have three main manufacturing plants here at JFE. And the slags are mainly classified into grades of 80, 100, and 20. Not to go too deep into the technical part, but once we get a more deeper understanding of your requirement, we'd be able to give you a bigger picture. But then, if you can see the graph to your side, basically slag could be classified into three types. One is the granulated blast furnace, which is something that you're looking for. And also, based on the particle size, there are two other uh, types as well, petalized and typical cement clinker. So as per the quality, like I mentioned before, we do not compromise on quality, and all our production is as per IS 12089, which is a global standard for slag manufacturing. So some of the customers we have been dealing globally is Cemex from Mexico, and we've got two Canadian clients on board already, Heidelberg and CRH, as well as we have got the top manufacturer on board, that is the Chinese National Building Material. So we'd be happy to take any questions from here.
Yeah. So in terms of our requirement for this, for our production this year, our forecast is that we will be needing around 1 million tons of GBFS. That's a granulated blast furnace slag. In terms of capacity, I guess, do you guys have enough capacity to provide us that amount to our company?
Sure. I think I can take this question. Yeah, like I told you before, we have been dealing with high quantity numbers for other customers as well. So 1 ton shouldn't be a problem. We should be able to provide that for you.
So that's 1 million tons.
Yeah.
Yep. Awesome. Yep. And some of the slags that you have, do you have different types of slags, or do you focus on more on the production of GPFS, which is something that we currently need in our company?
Karan, do you want to take this question?
Yeah, sure. So we need to know like what grade of slags do we need. So as per that, we can like whatever your requirement is, we can provide you the slags whatever you need. So I just want to like we just want to know that what is the grade of the slags needed for your company.
Mm-hmm.
Hi. So I think we need a mainly grade 100 because it's the
Grade 100.
medium one. Yes,
Okay, and what would be the quantity? Like how much quantity is needed?
it's around 1 million tons as our production is around 1.3 million tons of cement this year.
Okay, I think we will be able to provide that. And just a minute. Okay, Vijay, do you have any questions?
Yeah. So, okay. So my question is, what is the lead time that you are expecting from us?
The
Hello?
lead time, Vahid, would you like to answer this?
Yeah. So right now we are on quarter one. We're finishing quarter one, right? Um, we hope to uh, we don't have a specific time yet in terms of the requirement, because we are still coordinating with our customers regarding that. But as soon as we get the offer, we'll be able to give you the lead time for when we need the slags for our production. So we cannot give you a specific time yet, but we are planning to start production at least in the middle of second quarter this year.
So, okay, thank you for answering that question. Also, I have one last question from my end, and that is that will this contract, will you be having an annual contract with us, and also will you be having an exclusive partner with us, as also would you be able to continue with us for a longer run, or what type it is? I would like some clarity or on that.
Mhm. I think that is something that we can really work on. We are very open with partnerships. As you can see in our presentation, we love to be partners with people or with companies who value sustainability. And if you can show us that you have the ability to also adapt those values that we have in terms of sustainability and growth, we can definitely have a mutual partnership. And we are also looking at long-term partnerships, because that way we can bring more uh, better product to our customer by doing research with your company as well, if that would be feasible in the future.
Okay, sure. I guess that makes it pretty clear for us, and I am sure that we will be able to have something great in the future. Thank you.
Thank you. Looking forward to that.
Sure.
We
Yeah. Thanks for joining, guys. White, it was a great presentation, and I hope that both of us have got some clarity on what's the requirement. And if at all, if we have any questions, I'm gonna get back to you through the email, and hopefully this goes